इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
The freedom our nation enjoys had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of our countrymen, whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaid. DAV Boys Gopalapuram Spectra proudly presents Heroes of India, a unique program through which Srimati Avde Naiki will give an insight into the lives of our heroes, both celebrated and unsung. This program will be aired once every fortnight.
Namaste. India is a land of prosperity and bravery. When we think about the freedom struggle, we are deeply saddened at the fact that our country was under the clutches of foreigners for centuries. At the same time, we are filled with pride when we think of our beloved freedom fighters' courage, bravery, patriotism, sacrifice, and their love for motherland. Among all the inspirational freedom fighters, one illustrious name that stands out is Shahid Bhagat Singh. Bhagat was born on September 27, 1907 at Banga in Lahore. His grandfather, father and uncles were great revolutionaries who took part in freedom struggle movements and had gone to prison. Deeply rooted patriotism in this family led 3-year-old Bhagat say, "I am going to grow guns all over the field and turn the Britishers out of the country." As his grandfather was a staunch believer of Swami Dayanand Saraswati, he enrolled his grandson at DAV High School, Lahore. Hence, the philosophy of Arya Samaj greatly influenced Bhagat Singh throughout his life. At the age of 12, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919 inflamed the young mind of Bhagat. Thousands of unarmed people gathered over there for a public meeting were killed by the British mercilessly.
Positions. Load. Fire.
He collected some soil in a bottle which had bloodstains of people killed over there. He used to carry that bottle with him wherever he would go. The urge to revolt against British became stronger in Bhagat's mind after this incident. When he was studying in National College, Lahore, he started taking part in freedom struggle movements. He founded Naujawan Bharat Sabha in March 1926, which was the first socialist organization in the history of Indian politics. He reorganized the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association along with Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev and Sachindranath Sanyal.
हिंदुस्तान रिपब्लिकन एसोसिएशन ज्वाइन करना चाहोगे?
यस सर।
सोच लो, रास्ता खतरों से भरा है। एक क्रांतिकारी के लिए उसकी पार्टी, उसका मकसद ही सब कुछ है। फिर उसके जीवन में ना कोई खुशी,
ना सुख, ना प्यार, ना घर, ना परिवार, कुछ नहीं। हम सारी कुर्बानी देने के लिए तैयार हैं सर।
In the year 1928, the Simon Commission visited India. At a protest march, Punjab Kesari Lala Lajpat Rai died after being attacked by lathi charge of police.
Down with imperialism. Simon, go back.
Simon, go back.
Simon, go back.
Simon, go back.
To take revenge of his death, Bhagat and his friends killed the police officer John P. Saunders, considering him as James Scott, mistakenly, who had ordered lathi charge on Lalaji. On 8th April 1929, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw 2 bombs into the Central Assembly chamber and did not try to escape from the place. Instead, they started distributing pamphlets inscribed Inqilab Zindabad. They did so intentionally to get themselves arrested.
Special Envoy of the Viceroy, His Excellency Lord Irwin, Mr. George Sugister.
On 7th October 1930, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were sentenced to death.
After taking into account the entire evidences and arguments, the tribunal pronounces the following sentences on the Lahore conspiracy case. Rajguru, Sukhdev, and Bhagat Singh, all three are to be hanged until they are dead.
The British prison authorities discriminated the Indian prisoners by giving perished food and torn clothes. Bhagat and his fellow prisoner Jatin Das went on to a hunger strike to protest against British. On 64th day of hunger strike, Jatin was fed with milk through a rubber tube forcefully, which blocked his windpipe, and he died. Bhagat continued his hunger strike till 116 days and stopped it on his father's request. On 23rd March 1931, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were hanged to death. One day in advance to the scheduled date, a huge crowd gathered outside the jail could hear the slogan, Inqilab Zindabad, raised by the three revolutionaries walking to their deaths. They refused to wear masks over their necks. Throwing the mask at the district magistrate, Bhagat Singh said, "You are lucky to spectate the scene how Indian freedom fighters embrace death bravely for their motherland." Dear children, as mentioned earlier, Bhagat's life is a motivational part to the students. He was a voracious reader. He was reading books as many as he could during his imprisonment. Even before his execution, Bhagat was reading a book named Reminiscences of Lenin, which has insights into the life and thoughts of Lenin, the great Russian revolutionary and political theorist. When the British police officer came to take Bhagat to the gallows, he said to him, "The two revolutionaries are conversing now. Please wait." Yes, until his death, Bhagat was reading. So, whatever the situation may be, children, be focused in your studies. Enrich your knowledge as much as you can. Learn, learn, learn. Keep learning. Thank you.
That was Srimati Avde Naiki, Department of Hindi, paying her tribute to one of the tallest revolutionary freedom fighters. The artwork for this episode has been done by Kamlesh of Class 10A. The title track has been composed by Muruga Perumal of Class 12A 2021 batch. The background score has been done by Raghav Niranjan and Anush V of 10F. Arjit Balaji, Satyajit and Divan Sharma of Class 8C share the credits for the dialogues woven into the narration. This episode has been directed by Sri Navneet Krishnan, edited by Piyush Varman of 10F and supervised by Srimati Hemlata. Remember, stopping the spread starts with you. Wear a mask, clean your hands, maintain safe distance and get vaccinated. Stay tuned for Spectra's next podcast. This is Beena Sunil signing off. Stay home, stay safe.